Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be discussing about Kruskal's algorithm. So it is a greedy algorithm that gives us a minimum spanning tree. So from the example that we talked about before, where Google Maps, like, it gives us a path to our destination, like the shortest path to our destination. So the time complexity is this one, and we have to keep in mind when doing Kruskal's algorithm is that we cannot ever have any cycles. So let's look at the simulation on how Kruskal's algorithm works. So before starting Kruskal's algorithm, you can either just start from looking at the graph, or it's better to write down all the edges and the corresponding weights in an ascending order. So in Kruskal's algorithm would be, rather than starting from a node, we'd be looking at the shortest edge, and from that edge we'd be like, after completing that edge, we'd be looking at other edges that are like the smallest. So rather than talking about it, let's see how it works. So at first we have CE1. So this is like the smallest weight edge, so we are gonna be considering this. Okay, so next up we have AB is 2. So does this edge create any cycles? So no, it doesn't. So we are gonna be looking into this. So this is okay. So from A and D we can A and D, the edge is 3. So this doesn't create any cycles, so this is okay too. So next up is BE, which is 3. So does this create any cycles? No, it doesn't. So this is okay too. So next up we have AC, which is 3. So if we put AC 3, like if you consider this edge, we're gonna see that this creates a cycle. And remember, in Kruskal we cannot have any cycles, so we are not going to consider AC. So next up is BC. So from if we consider B and C, like this edge, this is going to create another cycle, right? So we are not going to have any cycles in Kruskal, so this is not going to be considered. So CD, from CD it also creates a cycle again, right? So this would be like this. We cannot have any cycles, so we're not going to consider this one. So D and F. So from D and F, does it create any cycles? No, it doesn't. So we're going to consider this. And F and E. So F and E would be creating a cycle. It would look like something like this. So I cannot have any cycles, so we're not going to consider F and E. And finally we have F to G. So this doesn't create any cycles, right? So we are going to consider this. And if we look at the graph, we would be seeing that we have covered all the nodes here, meaning we have covered all the locations in a map. So how would the whole thing look like? Let's see. So this is the final result that we have gotten from Kruskal's algorithm. It tells us on which path to take and how much it's going to cost you to reach from one node to another. So hope you guys did understand what I talked about here, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.